guys, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you Scratch. Scratch is a place where you can learn how to program. So here we are. First of all, I wanted to show you some of my stuff. So I'm gonna go to my stuff so you can see all of this. So I was thinking maybe I'm gonna show you multiple games since Scratch Runner Impossible. Who changed the name? Impossible is well a little bugging right now. So, I'm gonna show you how. As you can see, I'm still adding like figures to it, but yeah. So I'm just gonna say, dang it, my stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna show you multiple games. So it's gonna load, and here we have it. So it's loading project, and so in the instructions I wrote down how to play and stuff like that, and I said special thanks to Charlemagne Gus, who made one of the original projects, Pixelland. So yeah, new car and more. Okay, so I'm gonna say Crazy Puck, and I'm gonna say multiplayer. So you're gonna play with W. It's gonna ask you what's your friend's name. So I'm gonna say Demon. No, I'm gonna say Angel here, and so I have to play with WS, and if Angel was here, she would have had to play with up and down arrows. So here we go. So the puck is really crazy. I would not try. Look at that. Look at it. Does a normal puck do that? I don't think so. Look, I've also got a point. There. You see? It's a really tough puck. No. Okay. I posted this on the 24th of June. And it's a really cool game. You can check it out. I've got 287 views on this one and one remix, which I've already checked out, and it's quite cool. So now I'm gonna get you a create. So I'm gonna go to create, and I'm gonna show you how to create your own project. So let's start with a basic thing. Moving the Scratch cat. So I'm gonna say, for example, let's say it's gonna draw a letter. What kind of letter should we draw? A H, letter H. So when I click a green flag, you're gonna have to go to 0, 0, which is exactly in the middle of the page. So if I can change it here, where to go, and it's gonna go exactly into the middle of the page. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save it in case. Then I'm gonna go to looks, and I'm gonna say set size to, for example, 25%. Then I'm gonna go and choose a backdrop. I'm gonna go to the very, very bottom, XY grid 3px. That's what I'm gonna choose. So now when I press it, look at the cat. It's jumped into a small one. Now what I'm gonna say is then move 30 steps, which is equal to 1 square over here. So if you look, it went 1 square every time. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the green flag again. It goes back. Or what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add extension, pen. I'm going to add pen. In another video, I can also add a translation and a video setting, text to speech. So as you wish. Tell me down in the comments what you want to do. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to say also erase all before the move 30 steps. And I'm going to say pen down, set pen color to, and you can choose the pen color. So you can go with the mouse and go and check it. Look, I caught its nose. Wait, oops, that's brown. You know what? It's okay. Now I'm going to say move 30 steps. So it's going to move 30 steps towards the front. You see? It moved 30 steps towards the front. So now what I'm going to do is, so you can see it a bit better, you don't have to, I'm going to say, wait 1 second. I'm going to put it there and there, because the other ones aren't really visible. So it goes back, it erases, and it draws again. So I'm going to save it again in case. And then I'm going to say motions, turn 19 degrees anti-clockwise. So you're going to go and press 90 over there. So now it's going to face to the top. And I'm going to save it again so it doesn't get lost. You can only save it if you already have an account. Otherwise, you won't be able to save it. So now that we have that, we're also going to say move 10 steps. Well, we're not going to say 10 steps, but let's say our H is going to be too tall, like 2 steps tall. So I'm going to say moved 60, since 30 plus 30 equals 60. So now let's check what it does. Wait, you know what? I'm still going to have to put the wait 1 second so you can see it much better. So let's watch it. Ready? Go. So draws, turns up, draws. You got it? Okay. Now what I'm gonna make it do is I'm gonna say save now. Save now. Motions. You can choose whichever way you want. Since we're going to turn it 180 degrees. So I'm going to say here 180 degrees. You don't have to put, for example, you won't need to put the 1 second. That's only for you to see better. So we're using, for the moment, we're using the pen extension. Then I'm going to say, so 30 plus 30, that equals 60. And since I want to make it go down as well, again, I'm going to say 30 plus 30. So 60 plus 60 equals 120. So it's going to move 120 steps. There. I'm going to change it to 120. And there we go. So let's try it now. You want to see how it works? You saw it? No, I don't want to leave this side. You saw it? That made a mistake. So what you have to put at the top which most often programmers run into this mistake, so did I right now, is point direction to 90 degrees. You can tell which way. And a script, well, a scratch, the scratch cat sprite, when it's facing towards the front, it's 90 degrees. So let's check it out again, how it looks like. So turn back down, go down. So we've got half of the H. Now we're gonna press again, go up. So we're gonna say motion, we're gonna say wait 1 second. We're gonna go to motions, and in motions, we're gonna press 180 degrees. There you go. Then it's gonna turn 180 degrees. That means it's gonna face the opposite way. So I'm gonna also say, wait 1 second. You know what? I'm just gonna put that here so I can duplicate it. There. So now that we have this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna move it 60 steps up, because 30 plus 30 equals 60. So I'm gonna say 60 steps. So let's see what it gives. Also, don't forget to save, guys. Up, turn, down, turn, up. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to turn it 90 degrees anti-clockwise. There we go. I'm going to say 90 degrees. Also, don't forget to save. It's really important. There we go. And then I'm going to say move 60 steps, since we're moving 2 squares again. So I'm going to say 60, which is 30 plus 30. Here, I forgot to put the wait 1 second here. Really, guys, you don't have to do it. It's only just to be visible. And now, since we've done the half of it, what we're going to do is we're going to cheat a little bit. We're going to go up to move 30 steps, and we're going to duplicate it. Bring it down here. We're going to move that back up there. And look what we're going to do right now. So I'm going to say there. And look what it gives now. Just check it out. As you can see, it drew it perfectly well. We've got a H. If you guys don't want to do it that big of H, then you can take the first move 30 steps out of there, like that. So I'm going to bring it up. And now look how it works. So up, down, turn, up, turn, middle, turn, down, turn, up, turn down, turn, and onto the other side. So that's it. We've got our H drawn. So guys, I hope you like this video. I'm also gonna share it right now, so you can check it out on your own in case it wasn't really visible on my screen. Why did I write share? So example project. So I'm gonna go see project page, and I'm gonna say press the green flag to watch it draw a H. Done. So now what I'm gonna say, this is for a video on my YouTube channel. If you want more instructions on why I did this, go to, and I'm just gonna copy out the link. So this is gonna save automatically, don't worry about that. I'm gonna go to my stuff because I already had that. I'm gonna go to multiple games because since I have the link there, so I won't need to go onto YouTube, open it. It's gonna take ages, I know. So the YouTube link is right over here. There, I'm gonna say come and see. Now I'm gonna go to my stuff again, and I'm gonna say example project, since we're on the example project, and I'm gonna paste it here. So you've got my channel name here. So later on, I'm gonna add the video link, which for the moment I don't have, but I'm gonna do that. Guys, I hope you like this video. I'm also going to post many other videos like this, and I hope that you'll enjoy. Leave a like if you want to see more videos like this about Scratch, telling you how to program. Because I was thinking maybe of making a series out of this. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.